is like a how exactly you are like a handling this particular inventorship related issue, how you will handle this authorship related issue, how you are like whether you are thinking about that open access which some people are suggesting, some research scholars are suggesting, that shared kind of a inventorship, whether you are thinking about that. So all this kind of a suggestions are there, but we have to deliberate on that particular thing, that how exactly. And then deliberations are going, WIPO is taking that active conferences related to that to solve this issue. EU is creating the guidelines, courts are giving the guidelines, and then yes, these all are helping to shaping that particular law. Probably it will come, separate law may come, or in the current patent system, current copyright system, that law, there may be some changes, we never know. This is the current scenario, we have to appreciate that particular thing. Okay. So now, after knowing all this about the complete details about, yes, this is the issues, these are the IP disputes arising. Now the question is how exactly we should